Well, if you can see right out there somewhere floating, see that little dark object? That floating thing is my can of beef jerky, which is me, and it's my can of beef jerky. And I was trying to attack. These birds were attacking me. You look up there, and they were trying to attack me. And there was a whole bunch of them over there. They were trying to attack me. So, yeah, whatever Austin said, they were like trying to molest me or something. And now they're like, I reached out in my pocket and I threw my whole can of beef jerky. I brand new. I meant to throw in my empty can, but I accidentally threw my whole can of beef jerky. That's retarded.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the lake at Pirate Land. Oh, and if you haven't noticed, for the people that haven't been there here, if you look over there, right over there, there's a new pump. So they actually hydro pump. So they got over by the paddle boats a new hydro pump to keep our waters clean. So that's pretty cool. Yeah. Okay. Bye.